In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions on your video clips in Shotcut. So as you can see, I have here two video clips, but I like to add transition between the two clips. So to add transition, just simply take the last clip, and then this is the last clip. Now go ahead and infuse it to the first clip. Do it to a portion that you feel comfortable. So just make sure it crosses it to a good section like that, and then leave it at that. And here's our transition. So this is a classic transition. It fades into the other just like that. So this is just a classic transition. We didn't style it in any way. So if you want to style this transition, just go ahead and click where the transition is happening. For instance, it is here, and then go here on top and look for properties. Tap on properties, and then you can choose any type of transition that you want. For my case, I'm going for diagonal. I have here diagonal top left, and I have diagonal top right. So I want to apply diagonal top right. So I'll choose it. And now let's see how that transitions, and look at that. Wow, that is what I want. So if you want to change it to any other, you can go ahead and choose from this list. So for instance, if we go ahead, maybe say we want to change it from this to maybe bar horizontal. If you tap on bar horizontal, you can see the transition. It will be here. It shows you here in real time. Let me choose this and look at how that happens. So you can preview it here before you apply it, right? So if we say let's apply a band vertical, I'll choose that. And then now let's go ahead and try and see. Now look at that. Wow, that is great. Now the next thing you may want to do under transition is to add fade in and fade out. So you can do this at the beginning and the end of the video. For instance, if you want this to fade in slowly, you can go ahead and point to this dot at the corner, and then go ahead and drag it to a portion or to a point where you want this to fade, that is fade in. And also on the other end, if you want this to fade out, you can also go ahead and do the same. Just drag it to the level that you feel comfortable. So I'll leave it at that. And now if we go ahead and play the whole clip, look at how these transitions and fade ins and out intertwine. Great. So that's how you add transitions on your video clips in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.